best and the brightest were awarded during the second Cebu Tourism and Hospitality Awards or CTHA, organized by the Hotel, Resort and Restaurant Association of Cebu Incorporated or HRACCI last Wednesday, November 15, 2023 at Robinsons Galleria Cebu. The ceremony aims to recognize the hard work and dedication of the key players of Cebu's tourism and hospitality industry to encourage everyone to always strive for excellence.
This program is held to recognize talents who have made an immense contribution to our industry. These brilliant talents exhibit such qualities that will not only help in achieving their goals but also bring glory of success to its own properties.
Awarded as Front of the House Employee of the Year was Julie Rapada of Seda Central Block Cebu. Maria Fatima Oyao of Bay Hotel Cebu was named Heart of the House Employee of the Year. Albert Ortega of Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown won as Supervisor of the Year. Policronio Dorio Jr. of the University of Cebu Lapu-Lapu and Mandaue was recognized as Hospitality and Tourism Educator of the Year. Crimson Resort and Spa's Angelita Grace Taquel was named Manager of the Year, who shared about how she worked her way up from being an agency-hired waitress to becoming a food and beverage manager.
When I went to the stage, I was actually crying already. So I'm very thankful because I can, alam mo yun, I can look back sa mga hardship and struggle na ako during my kanang work sa not only just Crimson but with my life. Grabe ang akong struggle, and then this is actually acknowledgement sa ako ang mga struggle nga it pays off.
Seda Central Block Cebu's Aksyon para sa Edukasyon won as Best Corporate Social Responsibility, while Quest Hotel was recognized as Sustainability Champion for 2023. Chef Mirna Segismundo was granted the Lapu-Lapu Award, while Savoy Hotel Mactan Newtown's Secret Menu, in partnership with MyTV Cebu, was selected as the Best Marketing Campaign for 2023.